Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: pickup box, wheel side, air cleaner, high capacity, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, four-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.